Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. For today's project, I'm going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful halter neck top for 9 to 10 year baby girl. For that, I have taken some 0.75 meter printed rayon fabric and I am going to share you how to do markings in it. To begin with, I am folding the fabric by half in width. I have already cut out the required fabric for the top. This is 2 layers. Just fold this one more time. The required length of my top is 25 inch. Then fold this one more time. Here we have 4 layers. And this is open side, this is closed side. I'm going to trim the uneven edges of the fabric. For that I am marking a straight line. In my measurement, shoulder is 5 inch. So your shoulder measurement divided by 2, you have to mark it. After this, I am going to mark the armhole depth measurement. So keep the measuring tape here and mark 6 inch. I have taken 1 inch extra than my shoulder measurement. Mark 6 inch. Then extend these points. Now, from the shoulder, mark 12 inch for waist measurement. Then mark hip measurement as 18 inch. Then extend these points. In my measurement, chest is 30 inch divided by 4 is 7.5 inch. Plus seam allowance you have to mark it. My waist measurement is 26 inch divided by 4 is 6.5 inch plus seam allowance. So mark 6.5 inch then seam allowance. So again my hip measurement is 30 inch divided by 4 is 7.5 inch plus seam allowance you have to mark it. Then join these points. After this I am going to join the hip till the bottom. Here also you have to draw a straight line to trim the raw edges at the bottom. Just join this. And here I am going to draw some slight curve. This is optional one. Now draw a armhole curve. Exactly like this. Since it's a halter neck, we have to draw like this. And we should not cut the neck as well. And that's it. With this marking is complete. Now I'm going to cut it. Make small notches. Now I'll share you how to stitch this. Just open the fabric. So now we are going to finish the armhole and also the neckline. For neckline, I have taken a straight piece. Just place it here and make a stitch. Then turn and make a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric. Similarly, for the armhole, I have taken a bias strip. So just place it here and make a stitch at the right side of the fabric. Then turn and make a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric. Repeat the same procedure for the back portion as well. Finish the neckline under the armhole. And that's it. Now let's start sewing it. To begin with, I'm finishing the armhole. For that, I'm placing the bias strap at the right side of the fabric and I'm making a stitch. After attaching this, trim the excess strip and make a small cuts all around the armhole. After that, turn the strip to the wrong side of the fabric and fold it twice and start sewing at the inner edge of the fabric. Repeat the same for the other side of the armhole as well. Furthermore, I am finishing the neckline by folding the straight piece once. Start sewing it. After that, open the strip and make a top stitch. Now, fold this once at the wrong side of the fabric and finish it off. Repeat the same for the back portion of the fabric as well. So here you can see I have finished both the armholes and also the neckline. Similarly, for the back portion also I have finished the armhole and the neckline. Now, just place the fabric exactly like this by matching the right sides together. After this, I am going to fold the neckline one more time in order to insert the rope. So just fold this one time and make a stitch. Similarly, repeat the same for the other portion as well. You can see this. Fold and make a stitch here. After that, I'll finish the sides. So starting from the armhole till the hip point, you have to start making a stitch for both the sides. Just fold the neckline once and start sewing it. After this, I am attaching the sides of the fabric. Till the hip point, you have to attach it. Similarly, I have finished the other side also. Then I have finished both the sides. Now what I am going to do is just the slit portion. I am folding the fabric twice on the side of the fabric and then start making a stitch for both front and the back portion. So just open the slit area like this and then fold it twice and start sewing it. And that's it. I have finished attaching the sides and also for the bottom. You can see this. Now I'll attach the rope at the neckline. I have taken 2 ropes. So using the safety pin, I am going to insert here. Repeat the other portion as well. Now I am going to attach the tassels at the end of the rope. Just fold the fabric and then place the rope here and start sewing it. That's it. I have finished attaching. So this is how it looks. For this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then do like, share, subscribe and comment. This is the final outlook of the top. Thanks for watching.